Hi everyone, my name is Alan Lai and I want to talk about my research in regards to 3D bioprinting. So first, let's talk about why 3D bioprinting is really crucial for our world. In the United States, organ transplantation is growing a necessity because the amount of organs that we need outpaces the amount of organs that we actually have. And as such, 3D bioprinting presents a simple solution to this problem, as it enables us to be able to quote-unquote print these organs and artificially create a supply of them based on design parameters defined by a computer. However, the current problem that we run into is that oftentimes these organs cannot live for very long as they do not have vessel structures in place. And these vessel structures are very difficult to print because they require printing these pores, and these pores oftentimes end up collapsing. My paper is a simple proposal to enable these pores from not collapsing anymore and to ensure we can actually print vessel structures and thus begin the next step in 3D bioprinting. So, in my research experience, I was actually kind of familiar with different concepts in 3D bioprinting. However, what I was familiar with was not the type of research that I did. I was familiar with scaffold-based bioprinting, in which we would have 3D print a scaffold and then seed cells directly on top of it. However, my research dealt with layered by layered cell printing, in which we would print one layer of cells, then directly on top of it, there would be another layer of cells. So think about it as brick and mortar. So throughout my research experience, I became very familiar with the different types of situations which would affect cell viability. For instance, sodium alginate. The higher the amount of sodium alginate concentration, the higher the cell death that would be caused in our organs. So becoming familiar with these variables, and as well as becoming more familiar with the different design parameters and the different applications and programs that I would use, I became very educated through this experience and gained a lot of new ideas. So that's my research. Thank you.